Alright, we'll try this example. So we're not using sine anymore like the previous one. We're using tan theta equals minus 2. Now what do we know about tan theta is that it's actually sine theta over cos theta. So that is minus 2. Now if I rearrange this equation, I'm just going to maybe get rid of the cos theta from this side. I should get sine theta equals minus 2 cos theta. So this is what I'll need to work with and kind of solve and figure out the sine and cos. I can't figure it out because there's kind of two thetas over here, so I need to be able to get rid of one or rearrange it to solve the equation. What I'm going to do is use the identity. This identity that we learnt using the equation of the circle. So I almost have sine squared theta. I just have to square it. So if I square it, it'll be 4, because minus 2 squared is 4, and then cos 2 theta. So this is what I'm going to replace over here. So I've got 4 cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta equals 1. Well, there's 4 lots over here and 1 lots over here because there's an imaginary one here, or invisible I should say. So how many cos squared is there? Well, there's 5 cos squared theta equals 1. And I should be able to get rid of the 5 by rearranging. So my cos squared theta equals 1 over 5. Almost done. I just got to square root them both. So if I square root them, I get cos theta equals square root plus or minus 1 over 5. So let's see what this does. So basically I can have two options, but I have my restriction of the angle. So let me draw my South Australian Tennis Club, all silly turtles cool from what you guys know, and then let's see if we can figure it out. So that 3 pi over 2 and 2 pi, so that is, which quadrant is it? It's going to be this quadrant, okay, because that's 3 pi over 2 and that's 2 pi. So this is what we're working with. My cos is going to be positive answer here. So we are going to know that the cos theta that I want to find is the positive option. So this is what I'm going to work with. You also can write it as 1 over square root 5 because I can split it up, but they're the same thing. I found my cos theta, so I should find my sine theta. So my sine theta should be, I'm just going to use this equation over here, minus 2 cos theta. The cos theta I should already know. 1 square root 5. So the cos theta sine theta I have is this value. So therefore I'll just write my final answer. Cos theta was 1 over square root 5. Sine theta is minus 2 square root 5. So that's what I worked with. Let me just double check the answers quickly. So I've got cos theta. Brilliant. Brilliant. Perfect. Okay. So now you should have watched all that example. And then, I think we just have to move these questions. You should be able to do these questions if I can show it to you. So 5D.1, you should be able to do question 4, 5, and 6, all of those. That is written, and then we'll do the next part.